Welcome to the Garage USA. So we've had a couple of really brutal weeks here in Minnesota as far as the weather. We had some pretty heavy snow. We've had the polar vortex move through with some incredibly cold weather. I spent many evenings going out every 4 hours, starting up both my girlfriend's Volkswagen and the Durango that we have. I did go to a couple of big box stores to look for some of the vehicles that they have there. I ended up going first to Walmart, and I looked at everything that they had there, and then I went over to a Target store. And really, Target and Walmart have about the same offerings. So I ended up going to a couple of thrift stores. I did hit a Goodwill up on a Thursday, and Thursday was 50% off of all kids' stuff. So I ended up with 2 bags of die-cast cars, and I ended up paying about $4 for both bags. So let's take a look at what's inside these and see if I can get some inspiration or figure out if there's a car in here that I want to fix up or restore. I don't know. Let's take a look and see what we've got. So the first one we got here is a car from the film Cars. Not really a fan. Then we have a Tonka truck. Not really sure how I feel about that one. Not very inspiring. There is a Suzuki Samurai. And true to form, it rolls over when you turn it. We have a Star Wars. They call it the Rockster. It's like a generic Hummer. A McDonald's race car. I don't even know what this is. There's another Hot Wheels. Not really a fan of that one. And there is this. I like the wheels on it. There's a Hot Wheels military vehicle. And there's this Hot Wheels. Oops. And there's another Hot Wheels with the motor sticking through the hood like that. I don't know what this is. Well, there's that one. There is a semi-truck, which I have not done any of those. I actually have a few big trucks in my collection, mostly other brands than Matchbox or Hot Wheels. I can't think of what they are offhand, but probably Road Machines or Road Champs or whatever. They usually come with like the big, Fruhoff trailers or whatever, but yeah, I do have some of these, just haven't done any restorations or customizations on those. Here's a 56 Ford delivery vehicle. Again, this is a Hot Wheels. And there is a Hot Wheels Cadillac police car. Yeah, I don't know any police departments that use Cadillacs as their patrol car, but that's what this is. And then here's another Hot Wheels. Looks like a 50, I don't know if this is supposed to be a Chevy or a Ford or whatever. The base says it's a 50 fine, whatever that means. But it is a Hot Wheels. Next, we have a Cadillac SRX, and this is by Maisto. Looks pretty close to the real thing. You know, I think maybe the windshield is sloped a little too much, but not a bad looking die-cast car. We have another Maisto. It is a Monte Carlo. It looks like a Chevy Monte Carlo. Again, just not real inspiring, and it's not in bad shape. You know, a lot of these cars just aren't in that bad of shape. And then there's the Hot Wheels Ford Cobra. The windshield on this is awful, so I don't know. I mean, not much to fix up on there. It does have a hood that opens, so that's kind of cool. It reveals the engine. This one is a possibility. I've got some ideas for this. I've you know, seen these in real life, mostly replicas, but this one actually has some potential to do something with. And then the last car is a Matchbox Land Rover. A nice looking vehicle. I don't know. Okay, so it says archaeologist on the side. Not a bad looking vehicle. It's got some potential, but you know, maybe I'll do something with this one. So if you saw any cars in that collection that you would like to see me do something with, go ahead and leave a comment below or send me an email. I'd like to thank you for watching this series of videos, and I will be back next week with something. If you have any questions or would like to contact me directly, go ahead and send me an email at thegaraageusa@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.